You guys already know मुझे Valentine's gift में क्या मिला था. So today I thought instead of doing the swatches, we will use the product and do a real time full face test. Plus we'll also do a get ready with me while we are using the product. मैंने सोचा पहले मैं जल्दी से अपना बेस कर लूँ. I've got some 8 plus products and we will be starting with the eye segment first. There is a lip segment separately, but before I get into the eye segment, I'll be using just one product from the lip segment, which is this, lip balm. All right. So actually, the plan was to talk about it a little later, but I just can't help and tell you that this is just too hydrating. I mean, this is too good, and the tint I'm loving it. So we'll start with the hero product in this series or in this entire gift box. जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया है वो है ये आई शेडो पैलेट. I mean, the color payoff is just so good. Can you see this? So here you will get two matte shades, three glittery shades, and four shimmer shades. So let's see, we'll use some of these shades and we'll try and come up with an eye look. I'll be using this brown shade first. So let me just apply this. Would like to swatch other shades that I won't be using in today's Get Ready With Me. Like, for example, these glitter shades. I'll do small, them lightly. I'll, do swatches and I'll show it to you. See, can you see this? I mean, it's just so highly pigmented. Let me do one of the shimmer shades as well. Matte shade आपने already मेरे आंखों पे देख लिया. Okay, let's do this. Just so pigmented, guys. I just can't emphasize on how much I love this palette. The color payoff is just so good and it is so smooth on application. Oh, this is just too good. Let me apply a shimmer shade. This shade right here, either this, I think I'll go with this. Very nice. All right. So about this eyeshadow palette, I think they have Love ETC has two more eyeshadow palette. I've got the purple one and this is called Space Case. Now I'll move on to another product which is their Sketch eyeliner. So I want to do a wing liner. So let's apply this. Alright, so we have applied our eyeliner. This is just one product that I'm not very sure of. It is the kajal. The kajal is very good. It's very pigmented, but it does, it does smudges. So that's the only thing that I'm not, you know, just too excited about or maybe unsure about. But yeah, I think we can make it work if we set, our under eye. But this is just a normal retractable kajal. So I've applied the kajal just on my waterline little bit. So then I'll take this brush and I'll take that little bit of brown shade from the palette and I'll apply it right below my kajal. Yeah, if this is the effect that you're aiming for, then this kajal is perfect. But if you want something that stays on and does not smudges whatsoever, then maybe you need to look for a kajal which is totally smudge proof. Right. Another hero product from this whole range, right? One was the eyeshadow because of the color payoff and the variety that they have in, for glitters, for shimmers. I think they could be more matte shades, but for the size of the palette, this is fine. Another hero product that I absolutely love is their mascara. I mean, this also is really good. I'll just show it to you on camera. Let me just quickly. So these are my lashes, which is basically दिखते ही नहीं है क्योंकि है ही नहीं without the mascara. And this is in hyper curl mascara, voluminizing, lengthening, all of that. So let me just put it on and then show you before and after. The wand is of such a good quality. If you can see this, Look at my lashes. Looks like I've applied something, like a fake lash or something. Because I don't have any lashes whatsoever. So this was the eye segment, you guys. Now we'll move on to the lip segment. I've already used this treatment. This lip balm is basically treatment oil infused lip balm, has marula oil, all good things. In fact, all of their products has marula oil. Most of their product had marula oil as one of the active ingredient. Now I would like to go ahead with this bullet lipstick. It is in the shade Passion Project, and this is the shade color. This is not something that I personally like. The color is not something that I love, so I'm gonna use this, repurpose it, because I want to do the full face using the Love etc product. So I'm gonna use this as a blush. So I'll just apply a little bit here and here and some here. This is personally not the shade that I prefer. I'm very much into wine, mauve shades, right? And this is not something that would work for me. Now, my personal favorite. Okay. Yeah, as a blush, this is really good. See? The rosy effect that it adds to your face, it adds color to your face. I know this is not a blush, but I have repurposed it and I think it is doing a good job. Yeah. Now in the lip segment, we have two more products. One is this liquid lipstick, which is a lip cream. So because it's a cream, it is supposed to be hydrating, at the same time very lightweight and matte effect. And the other one is this lip gloss. It is not heavy at all. Let's do a test. Okay, there was a little transfer. Let's wait before we again do this. Okay, let's do another test. No transfer. No transfer at all. Dries quickly. Looks fab. Oh my god. I know I said this is dark for me, but for some reason it is working out. I mean, I feel that it makes me look good. I mean, the eye look, the lipstick, just working out, isn't it? Okay, so last product in the lip segment is this lip gloss. The wand is just so good. If you can see this, I'm gonna apply a little bit. I want to keep a matte lip, but just to try it on, I'm gonna apply a little bit. Shiny, right? The final look is done, and I must say I absolutely love the product, and my final verdict is that the eye products are definitely a strong performers, especially the eyeshadow palette and the mascara. I absolutely love their lip balm. Actually, I've been using their lip balm for 2-3 days now, and I feel it is just too hydrating, and the tint that it has is very good. And I want to try more shades of their lip cream, which is their matte lipstick, because I feel it's just too lightweight and at the same time matte. I mean, it just works. And they do have skin tint concealers, which I haven't, and the compacts, which I haven't really tried them on, and if given an opportunity I would love to try them on as well. If you're looking for a comfortable wearable makeup in Indian weather, I think this fits in so perfectly. So yeah, if you need further details, please check the description, and until we meet next time, bye.